Need to get bank statement on CommBank? Then in today's video, I'm going to guide you with a step-by-step process on how you can easily get the bank statement. First thing first, head over to your application CommBank or move into the official website. Once you're inside website, click on Log On. Tap on Net Bank Login. First thing first, you need to enter your login credentials as in client number and then password. Once you have entered, click on Login. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page right over here. Once you're in this page, you will need to head over to Accounts at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside the Account sections, you will be able to see all the transactions that you have made. If you want to get the bank statement of any of the transaction, then all you gotta do is click on this three-dot icon right beside the transaction. There you will be able to see the download icon. Simply click on download and then you will be able to get the bank statement. So this is simply how you can get bank statement of CommBank. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.